morning to all. Here are top news for today. For our local news, ammonia leak causes evacuation of 100 families. Around 100 families living near an ice plant in Barangay Magsaysay, Quezon City were evacuated on Sunday night due to ammonia leak. The incident also led to the temporary closure to the BGNG ice plant as a precaution. Superintendent Oliver Redeo of the Misambong Police Station said this today. The leak happened at around 8:45 p.m. on Sunday, followed by complaints of where the plant is located about eye irritation, difficulty in breathing, and etc. Madrideo said that when residents inhaled the chemical coming from the ice plant, they suffered from to ensure their safety. People living within the radius of 330 feet from the ice plant were asked to leave their houses and from nearby basketball court. According to the policeman, the ice plant was using ammonia as a refrigerant. Although we pointed out that the chemical was not particularly dangerous, it could still cause difficulty in breathing. The residents returned to their homes at around 12:30 after blood personnel started the leak at around 10:45 p.m. Madrideo said that the blood personnel told them that the leak came from the two valve shafts. The shafts were due for maintenance or due to prolonged use. According to residents, the ice plant operates and that's our local news for our sports news. There is Mr. Dino Morgado.
Our sports news. As I'm getting a libre like that, segregated Bago ako no copy. This confidence of beating competence or another straight games from sky high. Then it will be 2-0 in the championship. Showdown with victorious James won 71 and the game ended 10-100. But San Miguel Bears bounced back by winning game 3. 100 review and game for 91-87 last Saturday. The second, locals must step up for page materials. Unless the local players produce consistent games, the Philippines Patriots may encounter a hard time gaining the Asia-ASEAN Basketball League. Proud the Patriots are said face either the Trump Thailand Slammer or the Singapore Stingers in a best of the final affair and assistant box other nugget and play the passion of what their locals play just back up or their sports team very much still top. And these are sports news today. And to entertainment news is Jonathan Lina.
Thank you, David. Here are entertainment news for today. Johnny Depp buys 8.5 million euro movie. Johnny Depp has flashed out on an 8.5 million euro movie release after falling in love with the city during filming last year. The 47-year-old actor spent several months in the Italian city with his family while shooting The Tourist with Angelina Jolie, and he was reportedly so besotted with the stunning beach revealed their love in latest cell phone must have been wrong event.
Thank you and appreciate